Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another week of the market overview, or whatever you want to call it. Let's have a look at the what's up on the red folder side of things. Okay, so Thursday is unfortunately the only day that I will be at the charts to trade, and we've got an 8:30 unemployment claims, and then we get 9:45 a.m., which is this PMI. So it could be an interesting day. So I don't know what's going to happen, but I will be there, and I'm sure there will be an opportunity for us. So now that we know what we need to do this week, let's jump in the chart and see what's happening over there. All right, so this is the daily, and we still have the weekly 50% consequent encouragement sitting up here, which we haven't tapped in. And look, it doesn't have to do it, but it would be nice if we can see something like that. We still got these lows here, which is liquidity that I see at the sell side, and this red line below is this equal lows. So, and this is also, this is all liquidity, basically. Those lines there, and this is a bigger line here. So obviously there's some people that will trade trend lines and want to wait for a breakout. I'm not a trend line trader. I use the trend lines to target liquidity, but be as it may, that's what it is. And on the daily, I think what we need to do is jump to a lower time frame to look at this. But we are stuck between these two fair value gaps, going in, going down, going up, and that's why we might see something coming down. Unless we invert this aggressively, then obviously I will reassess, and then we'll have to target these highs up here. But I don't know. Just be careful, because we've got the elections, which is around the corner, and that can, create drastic volatility and change things a lot. Let's jump to the 4-hour quickly and see what we see there. One thing you guys must understand while I'm doing this, I'm not predicting where price will go on higher time frames. I've never been good at it, and I'm not going to suddenly become good at it. So I like to do the 1 minute thing on the news, but it's always good to see on a higher time frame where specific levels are that's going to be important on a day. And I'll show you what's important for me here and the reason why. This big candle up here, it would be great to see price go into that 50%. That is that 50% CE that I'm talking about. This is on a weekly, this red line up here, but this is on a 4-hourly, and you'll see we've got this spike here, the spike there. That's equal highs to me. That's liquidity to take those equal highs out into that 50, and then come down to all of this liquidity down here. It's a low, higher low, higher low, and now we can see something move down here. And that, we need to keep an eye on it. And again, we're still between those two fair value gaps. When I saw this fair value gap inverted, I was very keen to say, hey guys, this looks bearish to me now, and it still is, and that's why I will look for sells around this see consequence encouragement up here. We're still within this 4-hour fair value gap, that big black candle. If you draw it out, we're still within it. If we close above this, then obviously I will say we're going higher on here. But at this point, I think bearish is my name, and it's very hard to take a short here and hold it all the way down here. I don't think I think that would be risky to do it, and that's why I'm only going to focus on the rest for the strategy and just take money out of market quickly, like I always have. But anybody who's got a bias and a view to, a bigger view, likes to look at 4-hour setups like this. That's what I see. I see this equal highs to be taken, and then go down to these lows, and then ultimately come and take these lows over here. All right, and that's basically what I've got for you guys today. I'm not going to go lower than this, and the rest we need to see how it plays out in the week and how it all unfolds. Yeah, if you find value for this, like and subscribe, share this out there, and thanks for everybody's support. And all the new people, it would be great if you guys can support this channel. I would like to grow it. And once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start do live trading sessions on these things. And yeah, I've got a whole playlist on my Red Folder Strategy journals, and that you can go check out and see how it plays out. And yeah, if you've got any questions, pop it down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to respond. Or if you just need to reach out to me in any way, shape, or form. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great Sunday, and don't be eager to trade every day this week. Don't lose your money. Rather paper trade if you need to. But yeah, see how we can learn together, and I'll chat to you guys in the week. Take care. Bye bye.